We're here on annual maintenance. Just got to this hvac unit, and I don't think this thing's been cleaned in a while. I just got finished, grabbing most of the leaves out of the bottom here, making sure all the drain holes are clear. But you can see in here, man, that thing is all plugged up, and this is a micro channel. Micro channels are known for leaking, especially when they're not kept clean. You can see the whole back half of this coil in there. Like NorCal Refrigeration says, pluggo buggo. And I love that dude. He does good work. But look at this thing, man. So we're gonna give this thing a good cleaning and make sure it is ready for summer. I took off that side cover here, and yep, this thing is pretty bad. Got years of grass clippings stuck inside, and this side's even worse. So she's getting some TLC today. We're gonna take off that one too, expose everything, clean it good. All right, we got the other side off. And now you can really see how plugged it is. Look at that. Surprised this thing hasn't leaked yet. Whew. Took that screen off, and look at that. Pluggo buggo for sure. Look at that. Make sure you get your AC cleaned every year. Come on. Looks a million times better, and this is before we even hit it with the foam. I just wanted to hit it all with water. Got the whole inside all cleaned out. That was all plugged up. You see the back looks a lot better now. Let's hit it with some foam. All right, we just got done hitting it with the coil cleaner. You see the inside, spotless. Coils all clear. You can see through them now. Before you couldn't see through, now you can see through them. This side all cleaned up. Let's put it together and check the charge.